Hello and welcome back to our discussion on ZenPod in the second part of our episode with Dr. Arunachalam Muruganandan. In the first part, Doctor spoke about his definition of spirituality, the intersection point of innovation and spirituality, and also his life defining moment. Going forward, we will now talk about the incredible steps the doctor has taken towards making the lives of women better and how he came to be known about as the Padman of India. Welcome, doctor, and let's continue our discussion.
What, sir, has been your biggest satisfaction moment?
So it will differ.
One example.
Human being. But
For you.
Repeatedly, I said the same. I supplying this machine or installing the machine in a rural areas. Even the rural, many younger generations they don't know. Many younger generations are thinking end of city or the suburb of city. But to go rural area, there is no road. You have to walk for hours. You have to travel on donkey. You have to go. There is no net connectivity, no cell phone. Such a area, I set up a machine. It is called Tekri in Uttarakhand. It is 10-hour travel from Dehradun.
Yeah.
The community, they survived only from buffaloes, no home permanently. They will just move around the buffaloes for hundreds of kilometers from Dehradun to some Gangotri. Then Gangotri to they'll come back.
Wow.
They used to sell that buffalo dung, everything, the milk and all. So such a community set up a unit in a hilly place. The beauty is in their community, nobody ever gone to school for centuries. Nobody ever gone to schools. So such a community, I set up a machine. Then I given training to the women. Then I came back to Coimbatore. After 1.5 years, I got a call. You note the point. Call means that women groups bought some cell phone. Then they started calling me as Anna, Bhaiya. While you are at my hut, you saw a girl. That girl started going to school from yesterday.
How beautiful.
Then I got, my God, who the place where Dalhousie Prabhu is failed, Mahatma Gandhi is failed, Nehruji is failed, Muruga is succeed.
Very nice.
The girl is started going to school. It is equal to Nobel. That's what after I'm getting a lot of awards. Whenever I'm receiving award on a dais, I used to go to the hill place. I recollect the women what she said.
Very
that is
nice.
a Nobel. That is Oscar for me.
Very nice. Awesome. You've been giving a lot of talks globally. I've been I've been in an audience many times. A lot of leaders today, doctors, struggle with. We have anxiety. There is pressure. We are all running after fulfilling organization goals and all of that. And I'm sure they speak to you every time you go to speak. What is your advice to them in current day scenario?
First, the problem is, actually it is a lot of parts. So scientifically you call inventory, this, that, But I feel myself, it is because of the greediness. Because I saw with dealing with the corporates, companies, I found they never transformed, they never created anything new. If one business start new, the market is stealed by another company from one pocket to another pocket. It is a domain shift. So nothing to happen, new job creation or something, because one company you make file, they lost, then they become jobless. You are observing. This way the whole game is shifting the market from one pocket to another pocket. So why I am justifying myself? Why I become fame? Why so many institutes are coming out case study? Even the Blue Seed, InSeed something, Blue Ocean Strategy.
Yes, Blue Ocean Strategy.
They started doing some case study.
Right.
They put as a institutional lesson for 2,300 institutions across Europe. Actually, I suppose I should be in France to give lectures in dozens of universities. So then what I feel, the market which created by Muruga is not steal from anyone. It is 100% created one. So like that, if you're trying to create something, this miserable thing will never happen. Because you did some defined shift and there is a urge do something in the date bounded, this. So that's a problem of everything. Because they never prepared, then every company, they are thinking, nothing will happen. they never prepared, for some a struggle period or something. Even from the childhood, from the day one, their life is a cakewalk. If you put somewhere, first, whenever I'm entering, I used to check that building. It is fire safe. If anything happen, how to exit.
How to
It's
exit?
true. How to exit. If anything, so this is the criteria. Even from the crow, we learn. So crow is the beautiful bird. For for yugas, the alertness is the same. You cannot tame a crow. You can tame a parrot. You can tame a horse, dog. But can you hear anyone growing crows? Because crow will never believe anyone. The alertness. So I want to build that crow alertness in every CEO. So they have to forecast what will happen. They don't want to think, even suppose this happened, why should for us it happening? We are this company. Our figure last year. You forget about zeros. What will happen to your zeros now? Because you thought you are pan world.
Yeah.
Even anything happen in this, our company, now what will happen? It is a beautiful time to redesign your everything, even management, everything. You thought it is a global company, but now smaller companies are safe than global company. What happened to your company? Now everybody is started giving in a small scripts, the small scripts. I saw the stock exchange results. The small companies are thriving more than bigger companies.
Much better than.
Much better than. All the
Agility.
mutual funds have started investing in a smaller companies, localized companies, rather than you forgot about Tesla's, all the things. It is something different. But generally, after gold, now the next near gold is the local companies, those who are listed in the stock market.
Yeah.
So I want to say that bigger companies, don't fool yourself. You are made of steel or something. Please make a room. Something happened, what you are going to do? If something happened, they don't want to agree because they feel they are, like a Superman, Spider-Man. Now everyone agree. Everyone will agree now. Anyone can undergo this hereafter. They don't think we are robust. We are having 114 floor building headquarters in Seattle. It will affect more you than small. It's a beautiful strategy.
Awesome.
The effect is giving more to a big, less to a small. What a beautiful time.
Beautiful. I'm going to sidestep a little bit and take you a little bit outside the room into the garden. What has been your favorite book, sir, and why?
So usually I don't read book. My favorite book is you. So now, even if you go to LinkedIn, if I see your page, I look at your face. I love to read human beings from my childhood. I don't want to talk with them. I just move around what the two people are talking to each other, why they are fighting. If the educated people are fighting, I will be there for hours. Why they are fighting even after getting beautiful education? If an illiterate fighting each other, fine. Why they are fighting? So even today I am doing it. My book collection are the human beings. In my library, I don't have books. I'm having photographs.
Beautiful
Photograph. I can speak more than reading a book.
Beautiful.
Maybe
beautiful.
You will get an institution. Durga may be thinking as you can sneeze, you can cough. So whenever you are eating, something is called what do you tell Korea?
Yes, somebody is thinking.
Yeah, so maybe if it's happening, you decide. I'm thinking.
That is so touching, sir. I've never heard anybody say this.
Because I affix Bill Gates photograph and J.D. Tata photograph in a small glass cabin, a small photograph, 30 years ago. But one day I sat in Seattle along with Bill Gates. I told to Bill Gates the same. I don't know why I affix a photo. Every day while I woke up from my mattress, not a bed or cot, I look at her face after seeing J.D. Tata. Maybe a television connection, because he insisted. I refused to go there because on the month I traveled 5 times to US in a single month.
Oh my
Gates
God.
called me on 6th time to come to Seattle. I said no. He sent some the people from their office. He sent his personal letter. Then I said maybe this. There is a connection.
Sure,
If I see
sure.
you every day with an affection, not like jealous. Maybe don't be many people every time see jealous, you become ill. So here I lovely says, I don't know what you are saying, 1.5 hour difference. Maybe you are eating something. So like that.
Very nice, very nice.
Yeah.
In your opinion, doctor, what is the larger power that you tap into when you want to find a solution? And one of the things you said is you look at people and read them. What's the larger power? And we all have those days when you can't find a solution. For example, I meditate or I concentrate. What is your power that you tap into when you say you need a solution or the greater good, as they say? What is it for you?
This is very well, I have to say, this pandemic time. So managing discouragement is the biggest thing, actually. So there's a secret. Or managing failures. So this is what I'm saying. So many people ask to say, so why the wife left, your mother left, whole village, they say so from you. What makes you to go further? So maybe it is also equal to what you asked. So everybody having encouragement and discouragement mode in every human body or human mind. But the human being tendency, if they encourage or they succeed, they will keep for a little while. But they become failure or they become problem, they will retain it for a longer time. They will enjoy the failure. They're enjoying the discouragement. This is the biggest problem. So I'm also discouraged for second, like a sneeze. Ash, the discouragement will go. So then I never hold discouragement. So that's my simple secret. Yeah.
Awesome. What's your message to the innovators or entrepreneurs out there, sir? Obviously, nobody's saying I want to become like Dr. Muruga because you have reached some other level. But somebody is saying I want to do something that Dr. Muruga has done. I want to make a difference. What is your message to them?
First of all, now it is the internet world. You are connected. Every time you switch on, your idea, there is a chance to disturb. It's a very difficult time. I did in a village because idea, it is good or not, nobody there to disturb unless always I disturb myself.
Correct.
Now you conceive some idea. If you go online, there are 100 the same, but not look alike, but simply they will put, but nothing they will do.
Correct.
But if you go, some people, so in this time, so keeping your originality is the biggest, difficult. So please aware and you keep your originality because you are a unique piece sent by God.
Beautiful.
And second advice I want to say, use your education, something transform the world. Don't use your education to just make your life as a cakewalk. So this 95%, 99%, 100% people already did. Nothing they did for themselves, the world. So don't use your education to just survive, to make your life as a cakewalk. Use your education, something innovate and transforming the world. So note the point, innovating and transforming the world. Even you are coming out a company or startup doing something, keep this and memory yourself, innovate something and use your innovation to transform the world. In between, you are making profit, no matter how many billions you are making. If you are able to create some impact, the billions you are making is permanent. You are not interested to make any impact. You are looking only revenue. You are going to be vain into thin air. There is no. So this is the thing.
Very, very good. Sir. Very.
Transform us to the world.
Awesome.
That's what I'm doing.
Awesome. One person you look up to or you are inspired by?
That's Muruganandam. So whenever I'm seeing my mirror, that everyone should do, you will appreciate, you will amaze of seeing you. The moment you are able to amaze by seeing you, you are going to do something.
Wow.
But you are amazed only seeing somebody, there is a problem with you. Whenever I'm seeing, even in a computer screen, whenever I'm opening my laptop, I look up to Muruga, I'll say, hi Muruga. Wow. Because the moment you are attracted or something, you get all information what Muruga is talking and Venki is talking. But don't try to become Muruga or Venki, then you become a Xerox copy. I sat with Abdul Kalam. I sat with big corporate people.
Right.
I just stored in the pen drive. It won't affect my personality, my way of thinking. I just use as namak, what is salt or pepper, but you cannot create an entire, a diet on only pepper or salt. It's use ideas and inspiration like pepper and salt, tomato sauce.
Awesome.
You cannot make completely a dish out of it.
What is happiness? How do you define happiness?
Happiness. Wife is cooking something. That is what my life. My secret, I'm always happy. So every time, sir, you're laughing. Why? What? Any mistake I did? No, sir, nobody is laughing. We did several webinars that everybody in a very serious mood. I told just couple of weeks in a very serious lockdown. I started laughing. Even today, I'm laughing because people may think he is not serious. You saw
Yeah.
even I am talking in Dubai.
Correct.
That is a key. So the ultimate, aim to become happy. So why? Who said after winning and you're standing while you're receiving that, first that award or citation only you have to laugh? Why not while you're running?
Absolutely.
So while I'm living also happy, while I'm succeed is double happy. While I'm dying is 4 times happy.
Brilliant.
So be happy on the travel. Don't be settle yourself. No, many people are telling once I'll settle only I'll laugh. My God, settling is a very bad word. It is somebody is telling about this. Is a very bad meaning I told. Laugh while you are asleep. Go to sleep. Laugh until you are asleep. Who will try
Very
this?
nice.
I
Very nice.
tried. Until you go to sleep, try to laugh.
Very
While
nice.
woke up with a laugh. Laugh.
Very
It is
nice.
not a cost. No need to outsource. No
Correct.
need to order from even Amit, my friend. No need to order from Amazon.
Amazon.
It is available with you. No
Awesome.
need to Google search or something. Google Map. So even I said Google Map everywhere is misleading. Whenever you go to Google Map to go someplace, it will show the shortest way to go. I told the Google company, it is very bad. You give 3 options. This is the shortest time to go fast. This is the longest time you can enjoy a natural seeing and thing.
Beautiful.
3 chances. Why you are giving only shortest? There
Awesome.
are so many entrepreneurs, whenever they are setting up an entrepreneurship, a startup, they want to go quick success.
Mhm.
So I think so. Don't hurry. Especially you, every person should be passionate for another 1 year. So be happy. So don't look for any meanings or relevance to become happy. You are a human being. There no need to be any relevant reasons. No one can ask question. Be happy. Because
Beautiful.
people are afraid. Why you are happy? Nobody going to ask. Laugh. Laugh at public place. Don't be feel it is a bad act. If you are not wearing mask only, it become illegal. You can laugh. Now it is mask. There is mark. Nobody will see you.
Very nice. Define success for me, sir.
It's very important, Venki, what you're asking. But I don't know how the younger generation will take. So many times while I'm receiving a citation or something in bias, hundreds of flashes will go,
Correct.
and videograph posting on my juniors will post in LinkedIn, so
Correct.
many platforms.
Correct.
But you only know, are you happy while receiving the award? That
Correct.
that are you asking, huh?
Correct.
What you ask, Auntie, the question?
How do you define success?
Success. So that the whole world they are seeing, oh, something you succeed you got, but you only know whether you are eligible for that or not.
Correct.
That is very important. Here, I'm happy of receiving every award, every prize. If you, Venki, you praise me, I will happily accept because I'm doing relevant thing. Even in this pandemic day, we send a couple of missions, dozen of missions to Arunachal Pradesh. Very tough zones. We're working. That's what I'm successful in my mind, in my body. It is philosophically you can told.
Right.
So you are further, you are symbolically, you are just giving a symbol. What
External.
I already settled in my mind, external. I'm accepting myself and I'm showing, what do you tell perimidam in Tamil, Venki? English word. It's not
Which word?
Perimidam kollugal.
Self-esteem, is it?
Self-esteem. The self-esteem is important. Once you are completely, you convinced you are doing something good, again, impact creation, because I don't know how to say helping others, because nowadays people are confusing with philanthropic and doing something, a livelihood activity in a dignity way.
Yeah.
I never donate a single bread in this pandemic way, Venki. Don't mistaken me. Because this is a time everybody is making others into beggars. Muruga is trying to create a livelihood for in a dignity way. I don't know to make. I'm talking about state governments. The return migrant people, we can create livelihood in the respective states. This was the permanent thing. Not giving you one roti or paratha one time, then posting in a Facebook. Today is the 104th paratha. It is counting so on. Oh my God, it's a horrible thing happening.
Yeah.
That's what you first self-esteem. Once you have self-esteem, even the way you are receiving the award on the dais, it looks. So whatever you are giving, posting, I know, oh, this guy is never did something. Somebody you do. So the self-esteem, realistically, you have to do something to the society, at least for your family. Then the self-esteem will come.
Awesome.
It's very important. The language is a problem. You can correct.
Okay, no problem.
Wash over it. Yeah.
Yes, sir. So you have been and you continue to be a symbol of women empowerment, and I know you stood for that, and I personally met women who've been transformed because of your initiatives. What do you think? What do women say to you when you meet them, or what goes through their mind? Every time you visit a place and you bring about this change.
First of all, really I'm happy. So everywhere they don't think I am the supplier of machine or I'm giving
Right.
They look me as a father, as a brother.
Okay, good.
So mostly they will call us by I am the universal brother for irrespective of Ghana woman or Mozambique woman or Zambia woman.
Very
This
good.
way and become a brother. That's what they are going beyond the menstrual problem. They should tell so many problems. So that is giving a insight in what I can do next. So I'm involving in breast cancer. It's the
Very
biggest
nice,
problem in India around. So this are even though your wife never talk to husband,
Correct.
but the village women they come for her to talk because they will tell they never talk even my family. This what is the problem. Now I am looking for a cost-effective way of diagnosing breast cancer
Very
in
nice.
rural areas. Again, I don't want to put some X-rays, this that.
Correct.
How to find some just a doubt. If there is doubt on breast cancer and cervical cancer, what is the beginning stage? So we have to find. So that's what we worked on it. Suddenly, this all the problem are happening.
Yeah,
Once
awesome.
this is even it is not corrected, so everybody will say once is correct. I don't want to say once is correct. Even it is continuing, we will go and work.
Correct. Very good.
Note the point. Everyone say the word once become correct. I don't believe it's correct. So another, E bit will come, D bit will come. I told. Now it is C bit, O bit, C, then D bit, then E bit will come. I never bother. I know what I have to do in this way. The change will happen. We'll go there. So nothing will happen.
Awesome. My last question to you, sir. When Dr. Muruganandan, when you're done with all this one fine day, when you're 100 years old or whatever, what do you think you would like to be engaged in?
So the real true answer is, luckily the problem I took, even my lifetime will not sufficient.
Wow.
There are 102 countries are matching. Then again, I'm taking the cervical cancer and breast cancer. So that's what I believed in Canadian team. They will make me alive for 150 years. I can handle the problem. But anyway, so my lifetime will not sufficient. So I already answered. What do you do again? I took breast cancer and cervical cancer along with menstrual hygiene already.
Awesome.
Okay. So the true answer is lifetime will not sufficient.
Awesome. Brilliant, sir. It is so, I mean, I can go on and on and on, but it is so inspiring, doctor. And like I said, one of these days when all this is over, for surely I'm going to do a book on you. I mean, and I will
make it clear to that audience. Muruga is not a philanthropist. He is an entrepreneur doing things for profit.
Yes.
In spite, I am able to make this change and impact. So this can be copied by any industry, any domain. They can do in a butterfly way of doing business or entrepreneurship, not parasite model of doing business. While I'm surviving, I will help flower to pollinate. The flower won't die. But if you go for parasite, you will spread disease, you will suck blood, then you will survive, but don't be a parasite model of thing. So convert your business model into butterfly model of doing things.
I love it. Butterfly model. On that note, Dr. Muruganandan, I want to thank you very, very much for agreeing to give us your time. You are one person who have inspired me, and I have no idea how you continue to remain so humble and so dignified. And someday, sir, even if you are able to imbibe 5% of your qualities into our life, I think I personally would have believed I have led a good life. But I really want to thank you very much, Doctor.
Thank you, Vishnu. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
So that, my dear friends, was our journey with the Padman of India, Dr. Arunachalam Muruganathan. He continues to inspire us with his actions and his relentless pursuit to improve the lives of women in India and globally. Stay tuned as we will continue to feature such inspirational leaders on our show and listen to their journey and experiences. Thank you for listening to ZenPod, and I wish you all success in all your endeavors and have fun.